Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy conditions across the area this morning, seeing some ceilings around 3,000 feet. Going to see that cloud cover remain over the area today. Could see it move just south of the region for a brief time period this afternoon before building back in. We'll continue to see some cooler conditions or more seasonable weather today, temperatures in the mid-60s for highs, and then we'll see some unsettled conditions with some windy weather as well as some chances of moderate to heavy rainfall as we move into our Friday. Taking a look at our current sounding, we have a freezing level at 12,800 feet, winds out of the northeast around 15 to 20 knots, between 1,000 and 6,000 feet, then increasing out of the northwest above 9,000 feet up to 42 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, we have a strong area low pressure currently across the mid-Mississippi Valley towards the southern plains. Moving to the east, we do have a cold front and stronger area of some thunderstorms that move through Louisiana, across the Gulf Coast states. Yesterday continue to move east towards Florida this morning, and we'll see another area low pressure develop along this system over our area tomorrow. That's going to give us some poor weather conditions. We'll have high pressure in control for today, though, with tranquil weather. Just seeing this cloud cover over the region for most of the day today. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see that cloud cover just kind of north or south of the Virginia-Maryland border, seeing clear skies above that and cloudy skies over the Virginia Eastern Shore this morning. Going to see some cirrus move in across the region this afternoon, and could see this cloud cover drop just slightly south and give us some more sunshine for this afternoon, but looks like it is holding firm across the area. Not going to really see many mechanisms to get this cloud cover to erode today, so keeping it in the forecast for this afternoon. So taking a look at the HRRR model for today, this is at noon today, and then moving through this evening, you can see it does bring some scattered or isolated rain showers after midnight into the region, and continuing overnight, going to see those rain showers, and we'll see a better chance of rainfall after 8 local tomorrow morning, and continuing through the afternoon hours tomorrow, we'll see an occluded front start to move through the region, as well as a weak area low pressure along that front, and that's going to give us windy conditions. The pressure gradient just north of the front will be tight, and that will give us winds anywhere from about 40 to 50 mile an hour. Gusts across the region out of the east to east-southeast. We'll also see higher tidal anomalies tomorrow, and could give us some moderate to minor coastal flooding across the Delmarva Atlantic coastline, seeing some possible major flooding in the Chesapeake Bay, especially in the northern Chesapeake Bay. So if you do have any property or concerns in that area, make sure you do take some precautions for tomorrow. As we move into our Friday afternoon, here's 1400 local or 2 p.m. You can see this area of thunderstorms or heavier rainfall with some embedded thunderstorms possible moving into the region. And could be seeing a stronger thunderstorm. We do have abundant shear for tomorrow, so depending on how much instability we are able to develop in the atmosphere, could see an embedded stronger to severe thunderstorm across the region tomorrow as this line moves through. Once the heavier rainfall and impossible embedded thunderstorm moves north of the region, winds will calm down quickly tomorrow, and we'll see a chance of some scattered to isolated rain showers overnight as another weak impulse moves just off the coast, or a weak disturbance moves just off the coast, and that could give us some rain showers overnight on Saturday. So taking a look at the European model for the next few days, here's today moving through Friday as the HRRR was showing rainfall with the unsettled conditions, and Saturday possibility of a brief rain shower, especially in the morning. And then for Sunday, model differences here show possibility of some isolated showers on Sunday afternoon. Europeans not showing here, the GFS is showing it, so can't rule out an isolated shower Sunday afternoon. Not going to have much moisture to work with in the atmosphere on Sunday, so only a very slight chance of that occurring. And on Monday, we'll have very nice conditions set across the area, high pressure built in, and for Tuesday, high pressure once again. European brings a front through a bit quicker than most models on Tuesday, so Going to put a slight chance of some rainfall on Tuesday and Wednesday in the forecast right now, just depending on the timing of the front. We'll see some cooler conditions move in for Tuesday and for Wednesday as a cooler Canadian high moves over the region. So looking at our risk chart for today, a high around 65 degrees, and that is if we do see the cloud cover linger across the region, could see some temperatures maybe 67, 68 degrees if we do have that cloud cover road. I'm not expecting that in this forecast. We'll have east winds around 7 to 12 knots today, and they will quickly increase overnight as that frontal boundary approaches, and we'll see east winds 15 to 20 knots by tomorrow morning, gusting to 32 knots. And we'll see temperatures warm from a evening low of 59 degrees into the lower to mid-60s overnight. Our rainfall chances will increase overnight. Went with orange here, so about a 50 to 60% chance of rainfall by 8 local on Friday morning. Looks like that rainfall will be coming in around 8 local on Friday morning. As far as our terminal forecast goes, we'll see VFR conditions today. Ceiling should be at or above 3,000 feet. As I mentioned, could see a few times this afternoon of some scattered deck around 3,500 feet. So could see that ceiling erode up to 25,000 feet this afternoon. As far as the rainfall chances go, as I mentioned, best chance will be after 8 local tomorrow morning, but still going to have some isolated scattered rain showers overnight. Not a lot of precipitation total with that, but still going to see a few raindrops across the region. Our tides are currently about 1 foot above normal, and looking at Friday and Saturday. Friday overcast and windy with rain likely, a slight chance of a thunderstorm during the late morning and early afternoon. Some of the storms could be strong to severe. We'll see wind gusts 40 to 50 miles an hour possible, and we'll have a high of 66 degrees. Friday night, mostly cloudy to overcast, the chance of rain showers, especially during the evening, a low of 57. And for Saturday, partly to mostly cloudy with a slight chance of a rain shower, high of 67. Rainfall chances look to be near 100% for Friday. Winds will be well over 25 knots, especially through the afternoon hours. Then by the evening hours, should see those winds die down quickly. About a 20 to 25% chance of a thunderstorm. And ceilings could be below 500 feet or visibility below a mile with any of that heavier rainfall moving through Friday afternoon. So looking at the next 7 days, we'll see that unsettled weather pattern for our Friday. Saturday and Sunday, slight chances of a shower both days. Most likely won't happen, but can't rule it out. 20% on Saturday, 15% on Sunday. Temperatures fairly seasonable for this time of year in the mid to upper 60s. And then Monday and Tuesday, high pressure in control. Mostly sunny on Monday, more clouds on Tuesday and Wednesday as we have that possible frontal boundary moving through. Right now looks like a chance of some rainfall on Tuesday evening through the overnight hours of Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll see that cooler air mass move in for Wednesday. Most of the models are putting out temperatures in the 50s for highs on Wednesday. Right now, hedging that with high around 60 with the timing of that front still in question. But it does look like some cooler weather moves in for the middle of next week, more typical for November. But I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and 10 a.m.